Hello everyone, welcome back to Rome Tips. Today we're diving into something super useful if you're a YouTube TV subscriber, renting movies. Have you ever been scrolling through YouTube TV, wanting to watch a specific movie, but it wasn't available on demand? Well, the good news is, you can rent movies directly through YouTube TV. It's a convenient way to catch those flicks that aren't included in your regular subscription. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. We'll cover how to find movies available for rent, how to complete the rental process, and what to expect after you've rented a movie. We'll also touch on important details like rental periods and how to actually watch the movie once you've paid for it. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tips and tricks on navigating the world of streaming and technology. It really helps us out. Okay, let's get started. Screen shows YouTube TV interface. First things first, let's find where to actually rent movies. There are a few ways to do this. One way is to simply use the search bar at the top of your YouTube TV screen. Just type in the name of the movie you want to rent. If it's available for rent, it should appear in the search results. Screen shows example search for a movie. Another way to browse rentals is through the Movies tab on the YouTube TV home screen. Sometimes YouTube TV will have a dedicated section highlighting movies available to rent or buy. Scroll down and keep an eye out for sections like New Releases to Rent or similar categories. Screen shows the Movies tab. Once you've found a movie you're interested in renting, click on it. You'll be taken to the movie's details page. Here you'll see information like the movie's description, rating, cast, and most importantly, the rental price. Screen shows a movie details page. Look for the button that says something like Rent or Purchase. Make sure it specifically says Rent if you only want to rent the movie. The price will be clearly displayed next to the button. Screen highlights the Rent button. Click the Rent button. You'll then be prompted to confirm your purchase. You might need to enter your Google account password or use your saved payment information to complete the transaction. Screen shows the confirmation screen. After you've confirmed the rental, you'll typically receive a confirmation message. Now, here's the important part. You'll usually have 30 days to start watching the movie. However, once you start watching, you'll typically only have 48 hours to finish it. So, make sure you're ready to dedicate the time before you press play. Screen shows a confirmation message. To watch your rented movie, go to your Library tab in YouTube TV. You should see a section called Purchases and Rentals. Your rented movie will be waiting for you there. Just click on it, and you're good to go. Screen shows the Library tab and Purchases and Rentals section. And that's it. Renting a movie on YouTube TV is a pretty straightforward process. Just remember to check the rental price, be aware of the rental period, and enjoy your movie. Screen goes back to the presenter. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about renting movies on YouTube TV. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Before you go, don't forget to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tips and tricks on streaming and technology. Also, let us know in the comments what your favorite movies to rent are. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.